Hello friends, today we will learn about the colorful birds. Hummingbird. A hummingbird flaps its wings very fast. This flapping makes sound. That is why it is called a hummingbird. Next is Kingfisher. A kingfisher is a colorful bird. It mostly eats fish. The third one is Cuckoo. A cuckoo bird is known for the beautiful sound it makes. The next one is Bird of Paradise. A bird of paradise is a beautiful bird. It is named after a colorful flower. The next is crane. A crane is a tall bird. It has long legs and a narrow long neck. Next is kiwi. A kiwi has hair-like feathers and strong legs. It does not have a tail and cannot fly. The last one is flamingo. A flamingo is a bird with pink feathers and stilt-like legs. It has a neck which is shaped like the letter S. Thank you, friends.